All right, everybody, before I do the walk around, let's turn this thing on. I know that's your favorite part. So as you know, this is a 2018 Ducati Panigale V4. Recent trade-in, now ready for sale. We did a service on it in a brand new Pirelli Supercorsa V3 front tire. And it has to 12,909 miles. I'm about to test ride it though. And it has this Ducabike clear clutch cover. We love those. It has the solo seat conversion already on the bike. It has the NRC Fender Eliminator with rear turn signals. And those are the only mods I can see. Very, very clean bike. I don't see a scratch anywhere. And that's it. Thank you guys.